Let's check back in with our Veronica Obey at Metro Motor one last time. Again, Wiper Week is happening all week long. And Veronica, we're learning so many amazing tips today.
Oh my gosh, so many, Roxanne, and I am going to touch on them again just in case we have a few people that are tuning in just now. It is Wiper Week. It's going on all week this week. How many times can I say week, Sean?
Hammering it home, that's all.
Right. But we are really excited about Wiper Week, and for those that might just be tuning in, can you touch on what it is and what people can really get out of it?
Yes, absolutely. It's a program that we're running here at Metro Motor across the DMV. All of our 18 locations are participating. A complimentary set of wipers will come with all vehicle services. So whether it's an oil change, tire rotation, or just a state inspection, a complimentary set of wipers will get put on your vehicle.
I love it. And I know, unfortunately, Wiper Week only lasts for a week.
Yes,
so
yes, it is important to get it in here this week as soon as you can.
Exactly. But I do want to touch on, you guys obviously offer so many services here. If people want to come beyond Wiper Week, what else can they look to you guys for?
Yeah, no, of course. Metro Motor, we offer all major services from brake, suspension, check engine light diagnostic, major engine repairs, and then even just simple maintenance from oil changes and flushes. Really anything that the dealership does or other independent shops do, we do here at Metro Motor. We also have 2 fantastic collision centers and then a towing fleet that has, I believe, over 20 trucks here located in the DMV to pick you up and drop you off wherever you need.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. But apart from the services, I think it really is another amazing thing is how you guys all are just so welcoming and really, you know, are there for the customers. Can you talk about that relationship and how you guys really try to go above and beyond?
Yeah, we how can I put it? We are neighborhood shops. We do have 18 locations across the DMV, but each shop is really a part of the community there, whether it's helping with schools, baseball teams, softball teams. Just knowing the neighbors here is so important to Metro Motor. We look at everybody as family, all of our customers that way, and we treat their cars like that, as if it was our own daughters, wives, brothers hopping in the vehicle and driving down the road.
Yeah, and I mean, the important factor here is safety, regardless if it's from your wipers to just needing an oil change, making sure that your car is running smoothly, so that is amazing.
Yes, no, absolutely. Safety is our #1 priority.
Yes. And again, going back to that Wiper Week, we did touch on that you can come and get service done to get those wipers, or there's another event happening on the 11th. Can you just highlight that?
Yeah, so this Saturday, April 11th, we are having an event over at the DC DMV Inspection Station. We do need to register ahead of time on wiperweek.org. It'll just ask a couple basic questions about your vehicle so that we can make sure we have those wipers in stock for your car.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And I have to say, too, I don't know if you knew this, but the lifespan of your windshield wipers, do you have a guess of how many wipes you're getting?
Oh, gosh. No, I don't. Please, fill me in.
1.5 million.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That is. I'll have to start counting now. See when I'll need the next replacement.
Absolutely. But that also just goes to show that we're not thinking about how much we're really using our windshield wipers and why it's so important, again, as we talked about earlier, to be able to come in and get those checked every 6 months to a year.
Yes. No, absolutely. Especially right now with the April showers coming through, all the pollen that is just dropped on your windshield when you come out in the morning. We don't want it smearing away. We want a nice, clean, clear, visible windshield.
Yes. And one more time for people watching, where can they go for more information?
Either metromotor.com, stop in at any of our 18 locations across the DMV, or wiperweek.org.
Perfect. Love it. Thank you so much, Sean. We have more Good Morning Washington coming up right after this.